Ready? Start. Bail application number 709/2021. 3. Judgment Muddamal of prohibited liquor by the police in order to show their performance. Nothing has been recovered from the applicant and he is only been arrested on the basis of statement of co-accused. Investigation is almost complete and the applicant accused is no more required for the purpose of investigation. The main thrust of submission by the learned advocate for the applicant is that co-accused of offence has been enlarged on bail by Honorable Court of Gujarat and also by this Honorable Court. Hence, the present applicant deserves to be enlarged on regular bail by granting behalf of parity. The applicant is the permanent resident of Surat and there are no chances that he would flee away from the hands of justice. The applicant will be abide by the condition that may be imposed by this Honorable Court while granting him regular bail. On the basis of these submissions, learned counsel prayed for release of the applicant on regular bail on conditions deemed fit by the court. Full stop para. Per contra, learned additional public prosecutor appearing on behalf of State of Gujarat strongly opposed this bail application and submitted that huge quantity of prohibited liquor has been seized by the police, that the applicant and co-accused have not only committed offence under Prohibition Act but also have committed offence of affixing duplicate number plate on the vehicle used for transportation of prohibited liquor. Other co-accused are on the run and therefore granting regular bail to the present applicant will be harmful to the case of prosecution. There are chances of tampering with evidence by the applicant and he would flee away from the hands of justice if released on bail. By submitting all this, the learned additional PP urged to dismiss the present bail application.